Hi students, in today's session I am going to explain the CFSE, so that is Crystal Field Stabilization Energy from chapter 5 Coordination Chemistry. So CFSE means Crystal Field Stabilization Energy. So here we have three values, so that is 0, negative and positive. Okay, so here 0, negative and positive. So 0 mean what is that mean? That is stable compound. Stable. Negative present means, so that is more stable compound. And positive. So positive mean that is unstable. So this is three values for CFSE. So crystal field stabilization energy. And octahedral splitting diagram. So octahedral splitting diagram, already you know that. So once again I draw this one. So this is for octahedral splitting diagram. So here d orbital. So this set known as EG set. So this is known as T2G set. So totally two set is present here. One is EG set and another one is T2G set. Okay. So here barycenter is present. Okay. So in EG set the value is plus 0.6 del octahedral. So here increasing. And next one is T2G set. So T2G set value is minus 0.4 del octahedral. So this is main thing. So here three value is given. So one is stable value and another one is, so 0 means stable, negative mean more stable and positive mean unstable. And next d orbital splitting diagram for octahedral. So here d orbital. So top excited state is Eg and next one ground state is, that is T2G. So totally two set is present here. So here the center name is barycenter. So here the values increases. So increases mean we put plus 0.6 del octahedral. Decreases mean the values minus 0.4 del octahedral. Okay, so now I take one complex. The complex is FeH2O 6 times 3 plus. So first we calculate the oxidation state. So here central metal ion is iron and ligand is water molecule. So we find the oxidation state. So first we take this one is X plus here 6. So water value is 0, that is equal to plus 3. So here X is equal to plus 3. So iron oxidation state. So Fe oxidation state is here Fe3 plus. Okay, already we know that what is the electronic configuration of Fe? Fe electronic configuration. So outer orbital electronic configuration is 3d6 4s2. So 3d 6 times 4s2. So here Fe3 plus. So here 3 electrons are leave from this. So 3 electrons is leave from this means, so here 2 electron, here 1 electron. So totally 3 electron is removal from outer orbital. So what is remaining? 3d5. So this is for 3d5 set. So d5 means, so how many orbitals is possible? For example, 2 possible is present here. So first I draw for this one. So in ground state 3 and here 2. So this is for EG set, this one for T2G set. And next one, because this is 2 possible, reason D5 times is present. So 5 electron is possible. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 electron is possible. So another one possibility also present here. So this is for EG set, this one for T2G set. Okay, so here first it field ground state, then after excited state. So here all the 5 electrons is filled in ground state only. So how it is filled? 1, 2, 3. So remaining 2 electron, that is 4th electron, 5th electron. Okay. So here high spin, low spin is present. So high spin means unpaired electron is present. Number of unpaired electron is high level mean, that is high spin. Number of unpaired electron is low level mean, that is low spin. So here number of unpaired electron is present in this one only. So this is for high spin and this one for low spin. And next one we applied in CFSE formula. So CFSE first in EG set. So EG set totally 2 electron is present into, what is the value of EG set? So EG set value is plus 0.6 del octahedral. And next one plus in T2G set, so totally 3 electron is present here. 1, 2, 3 electron. So 3 into, what is the value of T2G set value? So T2G set value is minus 0.4. So minus 0.4 del octahedral. And next one plus, so here any paired electron is present. So pairing, P represent pairing energy. So here any paired electron is present. So here no paired electron is present. So paired electron is not present here. So we take 0. So 0 into pairing. So that is for paired electron. Okay. So what is remaining? So here once again I so first 2 into, so this is for EG set value, that is 0 plus 0.6 into del octahedral plus here T2G set 3. So 3 into, so the value is minus 0.4. So minus 0.4 del octahedral. So that is T2G value plus 0 into, because no pairing energy is present. So no paired electron is present. So 0 into paired electron. Very clear? Okay. So here we simplify this one. 2 into plus 0.6. The value is plus 1.2 del octahedral plus 1.2 del octahedral plus 3 into minus 0.4. So 3 into minus 0.4 value is minus 1.2 del octahedral. So cancel this one. So finally we get 0. So 0 means CFSE value is, that is stable compound. So here 0 is answer. So this one is stable. And next one we take the low spin. So low spin, apply the same formula. So once again I draw the low spin. So here this is for EG set, this one for T2G set. So here D 5 times, that is Fe3 plus. So 5 times mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here number of unpaired electron is very low. So here number of unpaired electron is high level. Number of unpaired electron is high level mean, that is high spin. Number of unpaired electron is low level mean, that is low spin. So this one is low spin. So apply the CFSE formula. So here, so same thing. So 2 into, so here any EG is present. So in EG no electron is present. So 0 into, what is the value for EG set? Plus 0.6 del octahedral value. So plus 0.6 del octahedral and plus T2G set. So T2G set 5 electron is present here. So 5 electron is present means 5 into, so here the value is minus 0.4 del octahedral plus, so paired electron is present or not? So totally 2 paired electron is present here. So 2 into paired electron. 2 into paired electron. Okay. So here 0 into 6 points plus 0.6 del octahedral means the value is 0 only. 5 into minus 0.4 del octahedral value is minus 2 del octahedral plus 2 into pairing energy, so 2p. So here pairing energy value is given, so that is 30,000 centimeters. So this is for p value, and del octahedral value also given, so that is 14,000 per centimeter. So apply these values here. Minus 2 into del octahedral value is 14,000 plus 2 into pairing energy value is 30,000. So here minus 28,000 plus 60,000. So we get 32,000. So this is positive. So positive means that is the unstable compound. So this one is unstable compound. So here which one is more stable mean high spin is more stable, more favorable. So high spin means, so here unpaired electron is present. So this is more favorable one. And next one, magnetic moment. So magnetic moment formula mu s is equal to n of n plus 2. So here because high spin is favorable, so in high spin totally 5 unpaired electron. So that is n is equal to 5. So apply here. So square root of 35. The square root of 35 value is 5.916 Bohr magneton. So that's all students. So that's all for CFSE calculation. Thank you students.